Expert channel. Today, we're going to learn alerts. We're going to learn about food hygiene. Food hygiene. Food hygiene. This note is actually for everyone, parents, students, teachers. Remember, this is Food Nutrition Expert Channel. I am a food scientist that have taught food and nutrition for years, years and years and years, and my students always do well. So, my topic today, welcome, I welcome everyone to this live video, this live teaching. I'll be teaching you about food hygiene. So many people don't know that there is something like food hygiene. Food hygiene is very important, and some of us don't care about that. We need to start caring about food hygiene. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you through the notes that I've made on food hygiene. And as I teach, I explain. That's the most important thing for live video. All right. Food hygiene. What is food hygiene? Food hygiene means preventing bacteria from growing in food by keeping the kitchen, appliances, and yourself clean. If you keep the kitchen appliances and yourself clean, you're practicing food hygiene. So that's what food hygiene is. And we also have food sanitation. Food sanitation. Somebody would be like, what is food sanitation? This one. Yes, there's something like food sanitation. Now, what is food sanitation? Food sanitation, this involves washing, cooking, preserving, and storing food properly. When you wash, cook, preserve, and store food properly, you are practicing food sanitation. That is what we call food sanitation. All right. Now, importance of food hygiene. What are the importance of food hygiene? Why should we practice it at home or anywhere we go? One of the importance of food hygiene is number one, it prevents harmful bacteria from growing in our food. That's one of the importance of food hygiene. One of the importance of food hygiene is it prevents harmful bacteria from growing in our food. Did you get that? That's very, very important for us to know. We need to know that if we practice food hygiene, it will make harmful bacteria not to grow in our foods. And when there is no harmful bacteria in the food we eat, the food will nourish and help us in providing the required nutrients that our body needs. If we eat food that are stocked with bacteria, is a danger in our body. It's going to create danger that we cannot withstand. You know, it can take us to the hospital. And so, importance of food hygiene. One of the first one is it prevents harmful bacteria from growing in our food. That's one of the important. Number two, what is number two importance of food hygiene? The number two importance of food hygiene is it prevents foodborne diseases. It prevents what? Foodborne diseases. Foodborne disease is very, very dangerous, and we need to be very careful to avoid it by practicing food hygiene. Number three of importance of food hygiene, we have it helps us to keep our kitchen clean. When you practice food hygiene, it will make you to be cautious to keep your kitchen clean, your plates clean, your spoons clean, your everything you're going to use to prepare the food in the kitchen. It will help you to make it to keep everything neat, and it helps us to be cautious of entering the kitchen clean, not entering the toilet and run out from the toilet and run to the kitchen to check food. You might get there, you might be like, I'm not going to test anything, or I'm not going to eat anything, I'm not going to touch anything in the kitchen, just to off the gas. But offing the gas, you use dirty hands to off the gas, and the next time you might use another person will use the clean hand to on it, and the person will now get contacted because one person did not wash their hands. Did you see that? So another importance of food hygiene is it prevents food contamination. I told you guys food can be contaminated in various ways. So if we practice food hygiene, it can help us to prevent food contamination. We will not contaminate the food we are eating or the food we are going to give every members of the family. Did you see that? That's why it's very important. Food hygiene is very important to every living cell, everybody, not only students or children. For parents, fathers, we always correct children, wash your hands. But what about you? Are you washing your hands all the time? When I finish this notes, when I finish teaching this topic, I'm going to tell us a story of what real life, so what happened. And I'll expect you to give me the answer or to tell me what really happened in that story. But let's complete this.